Hello again, Tom from Every Step Calculus, everystepphysics.com. A point slope form calculator, that's what we're doing here, that's what this is. This calculator, when you buy my programs and load them into your Titanium here, it's really my notes from many tests that I got all over the country. And when I find out a problem, I want to take notes. Well, you take the notes, you put them great notes, and you put the how to do the problem, okay, right? Then you always have it. And that's what my calculator does here, okay? Index 8 to get to my menu. Oh, by the way, there's a little square on the right of your screen here of this video. If you click on that, then you can subscribe to my channel, and you can get more videos to you, and you can see more videos. If you do that for me, I'd certainly appreciate it. Index 8 to get to my menu. You load that into the home screen of the calculator, and then we're going to scroll to, I'm going to go with the cursor up because it goes to the last bottom of the alphabet, work pumping here, oil, and then we're going to just click up here to the P section and look for point slope equation. The R's. There's point slope equation. Click on that. When it says busy here, it's loading the program. Equation of a tangent line. Here's what we learned: y equals mx plus b. That's what we learned in algebra, right? It's the point slope form equation. I always give you the equations because in a test you're scored by partial credit in the class curve. So whatever you can throw down on your test paper, even the equation give you 2 points, and you're looking for the most points, okay, to get a good grade and get out of there. So now I give you the choice. Here's the 2 points, right? So we're going to choose number 1. Scroll to it or choose the number 1. We're going to enter the points. We have to press alpha first. Alpha 5, alpha 7, alpha 6, alpha 8. I always show you which you've entered. You can change it if you want. I say it's okay, and let's do it. The slope, m is the slope with y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. Pretty simple, yeah. If you learn that and study it and remember it and pay attention, I guess you can remember this stuff. So here's the y1, which is 7, and then 8, and divided by 5 minus 6. That equals minus 1 divided by minus 1 equals 1. That's the slope. Now slope, just as a kind of an information thing, slope is what the first derivative gives you, okay? Now if they gave you a 1 here, notice there's a 1 over 1, and you have rise over runs. So to graph this slope, when you do the derivative of it, you're going to go up 1 on the y-axis and 1 over on the x-axis and draw a line from that point down through the origin of the graph, and that's the slope that you've just figured when you do a derivative. So keep that in mind, okay? And then we're going to find the line crosses y-axis. So we're going to take y1 equals m, x1, 7 minus 1, 5, 7 minus 5 equals 2. Equation of a line is y equals mx plus b equals 1x plus 2. That's the, now if you graph that, which I will show you right now, that's what you found, okay? That's the line that goes through that point, okay? Let's do the other problem here. Here's number 2, a point and the slope. They got the point and the slope here, okay? So let's do that one. Number 2, alpha minus 2, alpha 3, enter the slope, alpha minus 1. There it is there. Say it's okay. We could have changed it if we made a mistake. And here's the calculations. +3. You can go slow here and learn it if you want to learn it, but best thing is to buy my program, just do it. And here's y equals mx plus 1. Now let's look at that slope. That's the other direction. Almost hits the origin of the graph, but not quite, okay? So anyways, pretty neat, huh? EveryStepCalculus.com. Go to my site, buy my programs, and pass calculus. Plus, I'll give you all the help you need. You can call me. And if you send me tests, I'll make sure it does the test for you, with your practice tests or whatever. I'm your private tutor here that will help you all I can. I'm interested in fooling that professor and getting out of calculus. That's my goal. That was my goal when I programmed these in the first place, and I got A's in calculus, okay? So I'm a genius at calculus now, that's for sure, after 25 years. So buy my programs and enjoy passing calculus. Hey, have a good one.